Welcome to this episode of Comparison University, Customizing and Exporting Insights. Once you've finished combing through the results of your analysis, you've bookmarked everything that you want to bookmark onto insight cards, you can scroll back to the top of the screen and click View Insights to be taken into your insight cards. Now, what you're seeing here are the beginnings of your insight cards. And I say the beginnings because they're not particularly robust yet. You can see that there's the option here to add quotes. So for each of your insights, you can actually go in, find specific examples from the analyzed text that help make your point, and click the plus button here to add those directly onto the insight. And you can see how this is a really useful tool for helping to craft your narrative around what is happening, including those examples that sort of root it in reality for your stakeholders. You also have this section here where you can add specific actionable recommendations that you're making based on this information. And you can go ahead and do that for each of your insight cards that you have here. Now, when you're happy with your insight cards, when they are telling the story that you want them to tell, you can click the export icon up here at the top of your list to be brought into the insight card editor. Now, the insight card editor here, you can see that there's a number of sort of formatting options that you can adjust the orientation of your page. You can put your logo or your customer's logo onto the insight card rather. Customize what metadata points show, customize what's shown in the footer, and even change the font, color, and size. Now, once you're happy, once you've made them look the way that you want, you can go ahead and click export down here at the bottom. You'll be able to select the applicable file type that you want to download, and then click export insights to download them directly to your machine. Now, how insight cards are being used, we see them routinely included in presentation decks, reports, and so on, to really communicate the gist of your analysis to your stakeholders.